As freelance-style work has become more popular in the last few years, more people are having to fill out 1099s. But what exactly is a 1099, and who needs them? In this video, we have put together everything you need to know about 1099 forms. A Form 1099 is used to report non-salary income to the IRS for tax purposes. That sounds simple enough until you realize there are 20 different variations of this form. The most popular of these variations is the 1099 Miscellaneous. 1099 Miscellaneous forms are used for independent contractors, while other types of 1099 are used for things like prize winnings, dividends, or sales of personal property. 1099 Miscellaneous is used for independent contractors that have been paid $600 or more within a tax year. The responsibility to file a 1099 lies with the company that hired the contractor. You should file a 1099 for any independent contractor to whom you have paid more than $600 to within a financial year. If you hire an independent contractor and pay them less than $600, you are not required to issue a 1099. 1099s are intended to be used only for independent contractors and not for traditional employees. You do not want to misclassify these two, as it can result in penalties from the IRS. So what is the difference between employees and contractors? Traditional employees are paid regular wages, and taxes are withheld from their wages by the employer. On the other hand, contractors are typically paid on a per-project basis, and they are responsible for their own taxes, as nothing is withheld from their wages. On occasion, independent contractors are registered as S or C corporations. Whenever this is the case, you do not need to file a 1099 for them. You will be able to tell if they are a corporation or an individual contractor from the W-9 form they should fill out whenever you hire them. Example of 1099 in use. You are the owner of a small online clothing business and have a shipment of new products. You need product photography done for your new items, so you hire a photographer to take product photos. You pay them $1,500 and hire a makeup artist and pay her $300. You also hire a model through a modeling agency named Pretty Models Inc. for $1,000. When tax season rolls around, you are responsible for sending the IRS and the photographer each a copy of a 1099 Miscellaneous form, noting the amount you paid for his photography skills. However, you do not need to send a 1099 to the makeup artist because she earned less than $600. You also do not need to provide a 1099 for the model because she was hired through a corporation and not as an independent contractor. How to file. To complete a 1099, you will need to gather the following information. How to fill out a 1099 Miscellaneous form. To fill out this form, you will need a 1099 Copy A and Copy B. Note that you must order this from the IRS, and you cannot simply print it yourself. Step 1. Complete the payer information section, including your full name, address, and contact number. Step 2. Fill in the tax ID number. This is either your Social Security number or your Employer Identification Number, known as EIN. Step 3. Fill out the recipient's tax ID number and personal information, which can be found on their W-9. Step 4. Fill out box number 7 with the total amount you paid the independent contractor within the tax year. Now that your form is filled out, send copy A to the IRS and send copy B to the contractor. Copy A of Form 1099 Miscellaneous must be submitted to the IRS by January 31st, whether it is done electronically or by mail. For this and more information, contact us at Fact Professional Inc.